Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on curving text using Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Canva editor, tap Text from the left sidebar, and then select the type of text you would like to use. Select the text from the editing area. Tap the Effects button. In Effects, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the curve effect in the Shape section. Tap that. Drag this bar left or right until you get the desired amount of curve. That is how you can curve text using Canva. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Canva tips and tricks.